Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to do this look right here. Pretty much just using Morphe eyeshadows and oh my god. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, please keep watching. I started off the tutorial with my base already done, so this is just gonna be an eye look tutorial, and then if you guys want to see my base tutorial, if you guys want to see how I do the rest of my face makeup, just let me know in the comments down below. Oh my god. So yeah, they're gonna eat my camera, so bye. Hey, we're gonna do a red Valentine's Day look, you know, and it's gonna look really cute once we're done. You're gonna look a little crazy for a little while, so I'm sorry, but it's gonna like blend out really cool. I think I should zoom you guys into my ugliness. So the first color I want to start with is, holy crap, this is a mess. I'm sorry if you hear noises. That's my dogs moving around everywhere. Oh, the name's here. Okay. 2, 3, 4. So it's the shade Define Me in the 39A palette. It's like an orangey shade. Let me just try and show it to you. It's that one right there, and right in my crease is where it's gonna go. Now we're gonna go in with like the crazy color, which is, what is your name? Fire. And maybe I'll name this a fire makeup tutorial. Bright, bright red. And I'm excited. Oh god. This brush had yellow on it like a week ago. So yeah, I haven't cleaned it yet. But it's okay, we're just gonna roll with it. Not as bright as I would have imagined, but still really nice. Oh god, was I covering you guys? Sorry. Whoa, in the camera? Oh god, I just stabbed the purple eyeshadow in this palette, in the Clover palette. I'm really a mess today. Holy crap. I ruined things. Okay. Just gonna take the same blending brush I had before and blend it out a little bit. It's actually pretty bright in the viewfinder thing, but in person it's a little less bright. Not gonna lie. I like it. It's kind of like a fake cut crease because I'm not using like concealer or anything, but I'm definitely like defining where I'm putting the red. See? Now that I made these moon things, these red moon shapes on my eyes, I'm just gonna darken up the outer third part of my eye. And I'm gonna take brick, looks like this, orangey brown again, but it's darker than the first one I used. Gonna put it right here. Sorry I'm in such an awkward position here, but I don't have a tripod, so I'm like hunched over. This will change soon, everyone. I don't know if you guys should be closer, like, whatever. You guys aren't complaining. That was a joke. Now I'm gonna take this side of the Urban Decay brush, this side, and I'm gonna take a darker brown color. I think I'm gonna take Rich in the 3502 palette. It's just a dark brown. Just gonna take that shade. Kind of making like a fake little wing. Blend it. Woo! The blending party we got going on. And keep packing it on. Make it very rich. Reach. I kind of brought it up into the crease there. Place the color down. Switch brushes. And then blend your heart away. Okay, so you guys see the vibe going on here. It's like, is it Halloween or Valentine's Day? I don't know. Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna use this really bright red shade. It's like the same shade as the other one, as the matte red that we used, but it's metallic. So it's this first shade right here. Now I'm gonna place that where I put the red before to just intensify it, as if we need to, you know. Yeah, it's pretty much the same shade, so. Ow! There's gotta be a color I can use. Ooh, what about bronze? Okay, so I'm gonna take the shade Rustic from the 3502 palette, and I think I'm gonna take it with my finger. Oh my damn. Can you guys see that? What the heck? Okay, so I'm gonna put that in a little gap right in the middle. Kind of mesh the red with the super coppery shade Rustic. And I feel like your finger is one of the best tools you could use, because eyeshadow is super pigmented sometimes. When you use your finger, you just can't go wrong. And then blend those two colors with a clean finger. Yeah, guys, I'm here, I'm back. So I'm gonna take the black shade from 39A palette. I literally have to be, I was about to drop a 3502 palette. There's so many 30s, I'm gonna cry. So I'm gonna take the black from the 39A palette, which is called Muse. Actually, should I take it brown? I think I'm gonna take it brown. I'm gonna take the shade Slice, I believe. Hopefully that's the shade 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, the shade Slice with like a slanted eyeliner brush. This one's from the Brow Gal. And I'm just gonna put that right there. Create like a fake wing, you know. Well, he's not fake, he's real, but made out of eyeshadow. I'm really scared to peel off the tape. This is like the moment of truth, but if anything is like a little funky, you could just blend it out. It's no big deal. It's just like scary, but okay, ready? Dang, son. I like that. Now let's just hope the other side looks like that too. Okay, so I don't think they're exactly the same, but they pretty close. Alrighty, so I'm gonna take the first red shade we use called Fire. I'm gonna put it right here in the inner part of my eye. Oh, just love it when it goes in your eyes, because me too. Okay. Pretty much just copying what we did to the top, we're gonna do to the bottom. I'm gonna take that metallic shade called Rustic. I'm gonna put it right in the middle. For the outer third, we're gonna take the color, what color is that? We're gonna take the color Rich. These three shades were in the 3502 palette, by the way. Woo! I'm gonna take the NYX Glam Liner Aqua Luxe in the shade 24 karat. It's like this gold shade. And I just put it right here in the front. Inner third again. Inner third's popping. Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna put it in the middle. I'm gonna take that brush again and kind of like blend glitter. So it's very subtle, but I think it looks cool. Blend that, putting a little bit on the top too. Okay guys, now for the inner corner, I'm gonna take Fenty Beauty's Trophy Wipe highlighter. Looks like that. It's perfect and beautiful, and I wish I could wear it every day. Now I'm gonna take the same Fenty Beauty highlighter and I'm gonna put it on my cheekbones. Just gonna use this Master Chrome metallic highlighter. I'm gonna take the same Master Chrome highlighter and kind of put it on top of the Fenty Beauty one. Just a little bit. My lips. Now I'm super highlighted, and now I'm gonna do my mascara finally, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I just did my mascara. I used my Better Than Sex mascara. It's like my favorite. Now I'm looking for the lip color that I was gonna talk about. Where is it? Oh, right here. I'm gonna be pretty boring with the lip because the eyes are so crazy. So I'm gonna take the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Abu Dhabi. This is my favorite one. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and let me know what you guys want to see next week. Bye. Bye.